Good evening and welcome. I'm Heather McMann, Executive Director of Groundwork Lawrence. This morning I walked into the office and one of my colleagues was wearing a new sweatshirt. It was bold. It was a vibrant, brilliant red. And it said, "I love the woman I've become because I fought to become her." And I smiled. Because the words are true to the core for my coworker, and they are also true for the city we love, Lawrence. Since its beginnings in 1999, Groundwork has been committed to Lawrence, to highlighting its beauty, celebrating its resources, and capitalizing on its potential. To being a community partner, an active listener, a willing, enthusiastic collaborator, an ally. In many ways, these qualities have never been more important. In many ways, these qualities have brought us to today, renewed, energized, and with an unshakable faith in our resiliency, in your resiliency, and in the resiliency of our community. We've learned a lot over the last 20 months, really the last 3 years, as we all continue to deal with the effects and challenges of the pandemic, as we watch the numbers rise and fall. Groundwork continues to double down on maintaining the reach and delivery of our programming, while adopting safety protocols and acting on an insistent sense that now, more than ever, our sites need to rise higher for an even larger sense of community and justice. This takes many forms: a strengthening of existing partnerships, such as working with the food bank and helping the center establish the largest food pantry in Lawrence. A strengthening of our established and effective community engagement work by forming a resident task force and finding new ways to continue to center residents in our programs and projects. A strengthening of our collaborative reach, the Greenway framework that connects us to our neighboring cities and towns. Planning for climate change resilience in Lawrence, Methuen, and Haverhill. Adapting our restaurant grab-and-go meals program into North Andover and Haverhill. The establishment of a regional food security partnership that embraces 5 communities. And most important, a commitment to equity, be it in food, shade, education, or health. Because what we've known all along is that rivers and neighborhoods don't end at a municipal boundary. So why should the work? Why should we? I must confess, I thought it was unimaginable last year when we couldn't be together. I would have never predicted that 12 months later we would again be celebrating virtually. But we are celebrating our work, our community, our partners, our friends, you. So welcome, and thank you for joining us tonight for Gala 2021. Virtually in format, but together in heart and commitment. Cheers.